We are trying to find how much less fence will be needed based on if we reduce the width or reduce the length. So in this first case, I've got full width, that's this, and a reduced length. And it says that the area will be reduced by 3/4 of the original. And the original area is 40 times 30. So let's find width times length of this new reduced rectangle. And that would be 30 times L would equal 3/4 of the original, which is 30 times 40. And 4 will go into 40 10 times. And the 30s fall out if you divide both sides. So you got a length of 30. So you got a length of 30 and a width of 30. So the perimeter would be 2L plus 2W. And that's 60 plus 60, which is 120. Now, what if we have full length and reduce the width? So let's call this reduced width right there, W, and my length is still 40. So let's find the area of this reduced rectangle, and that's going to be 40 times W equals 3/4 of the original, which is 30 times 40. And the 40s cancel out, and that leaves you a width of 2 will go to 4 twice, 2 will go to 30, 15. That's going to be 45 over 2, which is 22.5. So the perimeter will be 2 times 40, that's the length, and then your reduced width, plus 2 times 22.5, and that's going to be 80 plus 45, and that's a perimeter of 125. So it's a difference of 5 feet if you go with the reduced width.